Now, how do you see the archived chats in WhatsApp on the iPhone? So let me show you exactly where you can find it. If it's your first time in here on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So whenever you decide that you want to archive some of the messages, you can obviously swipe left on it, reveal the option, and put it into the archive folder. And you should most definitely see it right there and at the top of the list, right? So as you go to the chats right there at the top, you should see the archived folder. So you go in here and see all of those which you decided to archive. Then you can click on edit and, edit the archive settings. So you can, for example, decide that the chats will not be archived whenever you receive a new message from them. So a lot of people do it at this point that they like swipe away their old chats and put them into the archived folder. But with this setting turned off, meaning that when you receive a new message from that person, the chat will be put back to the main category. So it is up to you to decide it, right? But this is how it kind of works. You can always just unarchive it from this section, and it is going to allow you to have it fully in control. So I hope it makes sense. I hope I was able to help you out and explain it the way that it works. For more quick tutorials and straight to the point guides without wasting any time, make sure you subscribe for more, and I'm gonna catch you in the upcoming videos like this.